I've got a really exciting day today, so I thought I'd check in a few times during the day. I'm going to Glastonbury to help hang the exhibition. I've got my cup of coffee here. The cooker engineer arrived early, so before 8 o'clock the house was already buzzing. 2 teenagers have left for school. I've got another one to drop and then I'll be setting off. These are certificates. Everyone gets a certificate of authenticity of the right nature should they buy something at the exhibition. I've started planning my talk on body image through the eyes of an artist, which is something I feel very strongly about. Hopefully I will be able to share the experience through the day of hanging an exhibition and all the exciting expectation that comes with that. The exhibition is called Get Real. So I'm going to have a little bit of breakfast, drop the 9-year-old off at school and then set off for Glastonbury, and hopefully next check-in will be a view of the tour. Here is the countryside. Look at it, it's such a beautiful day. Just coming into Glastonbury now, and there on the horizon is Glastonbury Tor. I think I can zoom in. There it is. How beautiful. I'm just so happy and reflecting how I've had some great jobs. I've done loads of travelling and rocking up in offices as the all singing, all dancing IT consultant in my machine washable Marks and Spencer's suit. And now what a change to be dressed in my normal clothes with my blue hair and heading towards an environment like this. So I'm feeling very blessed and very lucky, and very happy to be using all my experience in different roles, and it all comes together. So yeah, next stop, Heart of the Tribe. So Glastonbury High Street, beautiful, full of gorgeous coffee shops. And here we are, Heart of the Tribe, and these guys look like they've already made great progress. So here is, this is one of Caroline's pieces already in the window, and here is my drawing of Cheryl. So let's go and see how they've got on. Right, closed today for hanging. This is the entrance hall. So this is Melanie Thompson's outgoing exhibition, which you can see on a recording. You can still visit it on the website virtually. And oh my goodness! Hi, right, so here's Kim, gallery manager.
Your painting.
Thank you. Well, you've obviously been burning the midnight oil.
A little bit.
Amazing! Wow. So what's the plan?
Well, I'm just getting everything out and putting it around where I think it might work. Obviously, there's a lot of stuff.
There is.
It's a case of finding things that sit well together and sit well in the space, and a nice balance of both artists in this first room. And then there's going to be slightly separate rooms and then a balance in the hallway. And obviously this one's really big, so I like having the statement pieces in here.
Yes, a hive of activity already.
I know I've already moved everything around a lot, but that's generally what happens. Kind of move things about, and then once I'm happy, I'll hang them all and see how it looks, and then live with it for an hour or two.
Yeah.
And then see how it all looks.
Oh, amazing. I'm going to go for a little walk down the corridor and see.
Bring the cleaners just there.
Oh, wonderful. Let's have a look down. Here we are. So exciting. I love so I really like this. Is a great place here. It's a lovely spot as you walk in. That's a really lovely. I think this might be the yellow area. So, and then here there's a room here. I can see Kim's already made some really sound design decisions by the looks of it. And this is the second room. Very nice. And I can, right, I'm going to, we'll do that bit later. Right, I suppose I better lend a hand or make a coffee or something. Right, back later. Right, Hungry Artist lunch break. So doing a quick review of the brochure, which is looking amazing. So we've just sent this off for approved version for the printers. I will post some footage of that later. and a lunch stop at Earth Fair. So we've got deliciousness here, samosas and drinks and some soup on its way. Nom 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 for hungry artists. Pardon? Oh yes, and these pasties. Yeah, brilliant, brilliant. Whoa, whoa.
Juices.
Da da da. Yep, makes you creative.
Yeah, we've got everything.
A nice little pasty action and smoothie. So, in this amazing garden. So, feeling very happy and nice to have the mask off for a little bit. What a result! Look who's just rocked up. This is Andy.
You're right.
So, what are you going to be doing, Andy?
I'm going to be filming the space and watching you kind of curate and Kim curate the space and document it all, film and get some footage ready for the little trailer and teaser film for the exhibition.
Brilliant, fantastic. Right, I better let you get on then.
Yeah,
okay, so I think we're on the home straight now. There's a little bit more drilling and excitement to do. Andy's adjusting some lighting. So this main room is ready, pretty much. Lots of decision making. Every picture, every position, every label has been very carefully thought through. This room as well is pretty much finished. Decided that this room is yet to do, but Caroline's pictures are all waiting expectantly for their positioning. And the hall pretty much resolved as well. So yeah, approaching the end game. And there's the paradise at the end. Right, sorry about this strobing. Oh, and look at these amazing toilets. That is a sign of quality, I reckon. A gallery that has not one but two. Really nice. Even a window out to the garden. So nice. So that's a wrap. The brochure is here. It's got some really beautiful pictures of our work. There's Caroline's work. We've done several rooms and there's a couple more rooms to go, but I'm very, very happy to leave my work in the safe hands of Heart of the Tribe and can't wait to come back for the Meet the Artists event on the 22nd of May. So if you come to the gallery before then, please do tag me and send me a message, let me know what you think. I'm really so proud of how they're showing the work and how it's looking, and really excited about people coming to see and how you find it. So whatever you think of the art, you cannot fail to enjoy this beautiful garden. They've got great coffee and Glastonbury's beautiful, and of course there's a tour just up the road. So with that, I'm going to set off back to Bristol.